Schmidt, having a few problems.
You don't believe we went to the moon?
You are now listening to Alexander Chess Music. Only high quality beats.
I believe it was a brilliant piece of propaganda that the Soviets bankrupted themselves, pouring resources into rockets and other useless machines.
Useless machines.
Alexander Chess Music.
And if we don't want a repeat of the excess and wastefulness of the 20th century, then we need to teach our kids about this planet, not tales of leaving it.
Only high quality beats.
You don't believe we went to the moon?
We need to teach our kids about this planet, not tales of leaving it.
Houston, you can tell America that Challenger is at source literal.
Alexander Chess Music.
You don't believe we went to the moon?
There goes one this way, then one just blossoms.
We need to teach our kids about this planet, not tales of leaving it.
Only high quality beats. Alexander Chess Music.
There are great ideas undiscovered, breakthroughs available to those who can remove one of truth's protective layers.
Only high quality beats.
There are places to go beyond belief. Those challenges are yours.
Alexander Chess Music.
In many fields, not the least of which is space, because there lies human destiny, human destiny, human destiny, human destiny.
Only high quality beats.
Because there lies human destiny, human destiny, human destiny, human destiny.
Alexander Chess Music.
1,500 years ago, everybody knew the earth was the center of the universe. 500 years ago, everybody knew the earth was flat. And 15 minutes ago, you knew that people were alone on this planet.
Only high quality beats.
Knew.
Right now, we only can fly in Earth orbit. That's the farthest that we can go.
Alexander Chess Music.
You can tell it's real because it looks so fake, honestly.
And this certainly has to be the most historic telephone call ever made in the White House.
Only high quality beats. Only high
Well, why the big secret? People are smart. They can handle it.
A person is smart. People are dumb, panicky, dangerous animals, and you know it. 1,500 years ago, everybody knew the earth was the center of the universe. 500 years ago, everybody knew the earth was flat. 500 years ago, everybody knew the earth was flat.